Here's my store right now. As you can see, we've already generated over $10,000, and here's my ads manager, so you know it's legit. That's exactly what I'll show you and how you can replicate it. Now, I'm not the only one doing this. Our students are hitting 1K, 5K, even $10,000 a month following this same exact process. So let's jump in and actually build this together. Going into step number 1, AI store builder setup. First things first, we're gonna save some time by using this AI store builder. So click the link in the description, answer quick questions, and it'll generate you a store base automatically. Then we'll connect it to AutoDS, which not only helps us import products, but it also helped me find this winning competitor in the first place. As you can see right here, this product is doing very well. It's a beautiful year in the Bible journal by Divinely Devoted. Notice the page structure, the sticky ad cart, multiple product options, lifestyle photos and videos as seen on logos, FAQ sections, and finally the reviews. This is exactly the type of high quality products and product pages we're going to be building together. Step number 2, theme customization. Now, inside Shopify, go to the online store and find Customize. This AI store builder gives us a nice starting point, but will adjust colors, fonts, branding to look professional. For an example, Divinely Devoted keeps it simple. As you can see, it uses black, white, and a touch of magenta/purple. So we'll adjust the colors, typography, and logo to match the minimal professional look. Once we fix the color of our store, I like to use a nice clean font for a logo. So let's go ahead and go to Canva and quickly make our logo. Again, it's nothing fancy, just something simple. Step number 3, adding and structuring your product page. All right, now let's actually bring our product into the store and build out the page that's going to do all the heavy lifting for us. This is the part where a lot of beginners get stuck, but if you stick with me here, by the end of these steps, you'll have a professional and polished store that's built to convert. So first, we're going to import our product through AutoDS. All you have to do is grab the AliExpress link for the product you want to sell. Then paste it into AutoDS, and it'll pull up everything for you. The title, description, images, and the variants. But don't just trust everything that it puts in. Double check your cost of goods so you can actually know what you're paying for. That's how you'll know if the margins are healthy when you price it later. Now, first thing we're gonna do is fix the product title. AutoDS usually grabs the raw AliExpress title, which makes it messy and unbrandable. So instead of calling it Bible Journal Planner Notebook 365 Days, we'll use ChatGPT to make it brandable and simple. For example, a year of grace guided Bible journal. See how that feels like an actual product and not a factory listing? Next is the description. Same thing, AliExpress descriptions are walls of text. What I like to do is copy my competitor's description, paste it into ChatGPT, and tell it to reword it into short, engaging bullet points. So instead of a paragraph, it becomes begin your journey anytime, daily scriptures plus thoughtful prompts, beautiful designs that bring scriptures alive. This way, the customers can skim it immediately and understand the value. Now, let's set the price. Check your cost of goods. Let's just say it's around $10. We're gonna go ahead and sell it at $23.99 and set the compare price to $49.99. That way, the customer feels like they're getting a deal. Now, if you want to change the different pricing for different options, you can do that just like how the competitor did. If your product has variants like paper edition and spiral edition, add those in here just like our competitor. Make sure each variant has its own image so customers can instantly see the difference. That reduces confusion and builds trust. Next, let's fix the media. AutoDS will pull in all of AliExpress images, but usually they're not optimized. So we want to go ahead and reorder them. So your first image is a lifestyle photo of the product being used in real life, or a clean white background product shot. I usually recommend adding a short UGC video of someone flipping through the journal. Customers will connect with real people using the product way more than stock photos. I'll show you how to do that, but next, we're building small trust sections. This is where most stores fall apart. They stop after the title and price, but these small sections make a huge difference and actually boost your conversions. These sections are collapsible rows. I like to add 2 to 3. As you can see, our competitor has 2, so we're gonna do just as much as them and just change it with ChatGPT. The first one is study the entire Bible in 1 year with suggested reading for each day of the week and thoughtful prompts to invite deeper reflection. Then you can add more like key topics. The next one is shipping. I always like to say we offer fast, reliable shipping between 8 to 30 business days. Second is feature icons. By adding 3 to 4 icons highlighting benefits and information such as the multi-column they did, now we can actually do the same thing, but we'll change most of it with ChatGPT. Then the images can be found from anywhere like Amazon review sections or Google Images, just like I am doing here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest and I'll be right back. All right, third is video slider. Now, this is very nice to have and makes your brand much more believable. So let's do the same thing by pulling in TikTok clips of real people journaling or reviewing them. Then we want to go ahead and go to Snaptic with the link of the TikTok and download them. Finally, add them here just like this, making it feel authentic and immediately building credibility. Finally, let's add the finishing touches such as reviews and more information such as us versus them, charts featured in or seen on, FAQs, testimonials, and finally your email signups like our competitor and how they have it here. So we're going to do the same thing and go ahead and fill in all of these sections and I'll be right back. And that's it. From a messy AliExpress listing, we now have a clean professional product page that is structured to sell. We've got a brandable title, a scannable description, optimized media, clear variants, trust sections, UGC reviews, and urgency. By the time a customer scrolls through all of this, they've seen everything they need to confidently buy. This right here is how you take an average product and turn it into a 10K product page. As you can see, this is very similar to our competitor's product page that's been going crazy. Step number 4, set up payments. Now, let's go ahead and set up your payments so we can actually get paid. In the Shopify dashboard, go ahead and go to your settings and activate Shopify payments or PayPal. Now, it's actually very easy to set up. Just follow the few steps and you're finished in a couple of minutes. And that's it. A fully built, high converting Shopify store. Now, if you want more information from me and my team, then join the Discord community below. Students are crushing it daily and I'd love to see you inside there. But if you want to see more of this content, then feel free to leave a like. And again, this is Julian with Supreme Ecom, and I'll see you later.